Well, give me 1 second here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. We got Tuesday, November 18th. No news today. We're live once again from Mexico. Hopefully we make some quick money today so I can get off the stream and go enjoy the rest of the day here.
Do some walking.
A lot of walking.
Yesterday was walking. You were walking through a tunnel. We're walking there. Walking there.
This place is so massive where you need good walking shoes. I'll tell you that, because walking in like water shoes, it hurts after a while.
I love, and I replayed it for my wife when you did the water slide into the cave.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that. You're on it and you're just like whatever, and all of a sudden you're in the cave. That's pretty wild.
Yeah. And that thing was moving too. Like the camera didn't do it justice, because I was moving way faster than what that camera showed.
What did they say? You said you sank or something?
Yeah, but I was able to stand up at the bottom, so I braced myself, so I came off of it and I stood up. Good morning, Andre. Good morning, sir. Let me jump over here real quick, make sure everything's looking clean, and it is. So we'll take that. Let me check the audio. Perfect, we're good.
You sound pretty good here. Your voice sounds stronger than yesterday because it doesn't sound like you smoke 10 cigars.
Andre, I appreciate you supporting the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I got the chat pulled up, so we'll be able to talk back and forth as well. Let's look at the market here, see what the market's possibly going to do today. Let's look at the trade of 8, trade in view actually. Bear flag right there. Let me mark that.
Are you looking at the 2-minute on that sucker?
Yeah, this is the 2-minute. So we got the close from yesterday at 905.50, 24,905.50. Welcome to the YouTube for everyone over there. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Overnight high from last night, 959 for the overnight high. And the low is 603.75, 603.75 for the low from the overnight session here. With us being below that 24,000, oh, wasn't trying to move that. Let me put that back. I say we potentially come down, test this pivot point, that 637 level. If we hold that pivot, we'll potentially start pushing back up to possibly the close from yesterday. But if we lose this pivot, we can expect to keep coming down through that 603 level. But when we get down to that when we come down to that 603, we're going to want to watch, because over here, as you can see on the chart, we bounce in the same general area right here when we came down here. So that 603 level, we got to wait. I recommend waiting till we get through it, only because we don't want to take a short down here and then we start bouncing back up like it did twice so far when we were down there. But yeah, awesome. Let me get that.
So look at it, got a little run some movement all of a sudden.
We'll take it.
Order filled.
No order fills yet. No order fills yet.
That means she's on mute.
Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient today. But look at that nice little, how it's pushing like that. Where's my wrinkle bars at?
Where's your wrinkles?
Welcome everyone on the YouTube stream. How are you guys feeling today? If this is your first time tuning in, put new in the chat. so I could personally welcome you. If you're excited and you want to have a great day, put a W in the chat. If you're feeling like a blah day so far, put a 0. Let's close the door, guys. No, let's close.
Yeah, put a 2 in the chat and want the door closed.
We got a W in the chat. Well, sir, go inside, kid. You can't be on the streams. Like these kids. DLT, you know what I'm saying? You're going to have a great day today, sir. Appreciate you tuning in. APK's in the house. Well, welcome, APK. You know what I'm saying? Welcome, welcome. Trade DLT, this is the best thing you could ever do for yourself. Because once you learn how to trade the first time, you're set. You don't have to learn it again. We got 3 minutes for market open here. 3 more minutes. Andre, we're definitely going to kill the markets today. We have to. Because I gotta pay for this trip, you know what I'm saying? Haha, it's already been paid for, but you know what I mean. It's nice when you can go on vacation and still earn money, so that way you never feel like the money's just going out, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's nice to be able to bring it in when you're traveling. All right, 2 more minutes here, gentlemen. 2 more minutes for the glorious market to open for us. Stay safe. Don't do anything crazy today. It's only Tuesday. We got plenty of time.
What do you type in if we want to slay the market?
Just type in slay. Type in slay.
Santa has a slay.
Giving the people a show, baby. You know what I'm saying? They come in here for me, okay? They're not coming in here for you. This is my stream. Like,
No, it's my stream, man. I'm on.
all right, Andre's going to slay. Steve's going to slay. Millionaire's going to slay. We're going to get it today. Well, market's getting ready to open here. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. I'm ready to make some money.
So what are you doing today? Tell us 15 seconds.
Today we are going to the X-Correct Park. That's their first original park that they came out with. They have over 5 parks. We went to 3 yesterday. We're going to the X-Correct today, where they got like zoo animals, shows, and then we'll be able to swim through some cenotes as well for that one. Yep. All right. Market's open. Ding, 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 ding. Market's officially open. Let's get it, gentlemen. I'm trying to be not cautious. I just trying to stay tuned in. We got that. We're below that VWAP. VWAP is up here at the 771. 771 for that VWAP.
Yep, I got that same on mine, just so you know.
Awesome. We'll take it. We'll take it. So we may push up, tap that VWAP, and if we reject off of it, look for another bear flag. That's what I'm looking for, because when we're below the VWAP, first flag we're looking for are bear flags. when we're above the VWAP, we're looking for bull flags. For the first one, the first pattern, we want our eyes looking, that's what we're looking for. But if we do see a bear flag, it's still okay, or a bull flag, vice versa. Just, it's a little bit easier, and that's showing a bear flag right there. Second bear flag for the day. Let me switch over to the trade evade here, because if we get the momentum, I'm gonna take it.
He might be extending his stake. Come on. Do something. Give us an opening spread.
Closed out right there. Quick 360. Quick 360 just like that. No complaints there. And right now it's pushing back up here. This is what we want to see for a bear flag. So putting the line on the chart. So we're locked in, so we're ready. But a quick little scalp there for 360. Can't complain, can't complain. That's a quick little scalp.
Wow, it's bringing up back up.
Andre, seeing your chat right now, chopping the zone. Well, we just got rejected. Thank God I closed out. That could have been extremely ugly because I'd be in drawdown. Pushed right through that VWAP. So we pushed right through that VWAP. So now that we're up here, we're going, if we hold above the VWAP, which I'm like, I'm not too thrilled that we're above the VWAP currently because I want us to retest this pivot point down here.
But if you keep the movement and it's got momentum, you'll be okay.
No, 100%.
I just wanted to let the people at home not to pray for you just yet.
And just so you know, I'm not in the office at the house, so I can't hold the wall like I normally do. You guys can't see, my foot is pressed up against this wall right here. So if I gotta hold myself in a trade, I'm gonna lock in on the wall to keep me in.
That was that tunnel that you were on, like you're walking through and it's like when you're holding the train, it's like, go back.
Yeah.
I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Keep walking.
No, it's funny, I posted on my Facebook and everything, and on YouTube, me going down one of the water slides for the cave excursion. And I'm like, when you're running to your take profit, you know what I'm saying? Like, all right, so let's see if we build out a flag up here. Let me draw on the chart for us.
The 1 minute's looking pretty nice. 2 minutes, come on.
Let me actually look at some higher time frames real quick. That 15 minutes not looking too sexy, but again, a lot of selling pressure on that 15. Let's go down to the 5 minute.
Look at the candles out of the wicks on the 5, man.
Yeah, that top one's crazy. I feel like they want to take this down to the pivot point because
I would agree because that spike there was like something insane, and then it's like.
Because another thing is as well, this is just me. Flags always repeat themselves. So we've already had.
Wait, what did you just say?
Flags always repeat themselves. So right here, so we had one bear flag right there. We had another one that was pre-market. These were pre-market flags, but I want to see if the market respects the pattern because 99% of the time the market respects the pattern. We do have that gap up to that 905, 24,905. That's the close from yesterday. But I got a feeling we're going to respect the flags because right now the bears want this coming down. That's all I know. That's all I know. I don't know a lot, but I know that. Appreciate all you guys tuning in on the YouTube stream with us. Like, it makes me excited because we're almost at 70,000 views for the past 28 days. So I'm thrilled that we continue to climb on that for the views. Because I know this channel is going to help so many of you guys truly excel at trading. Because for me personally, I'm not just sitting around in a house talking about it. Like, we're literally in Mexico right now trading live with you guys. That's how much I believe in this. And it shows the fruits of your labor as well, being able to be in places like this.
What did you eat yesterday? Did you get to go to any other fancy restaurant?
Good morning, G. Good morning. Andre, I know. Like, so far we're up 105 subscribers for the past like 28 days. So over 100 new subscribers, you know what I'm saying? So we're definitely moving in the right direction. I already took a trade. I already took quick 360. Quick 360 this morning so far. He's in here. All right, looking like a potential bull flag there. Let me.
Wait. What? It says 3 questions.
Huh?
You, me, and she.
Yep, and then we got people on the YouTube streams as well.
They have you, Steve, and Esteban.
What's that? How's everyone feeling on the YouTube? Are you guys feeling good? Are you feeling froggy? What are you guys trading? Are you trading the NQ? Are you trading gold? Andre, I know that's your baby. So you're most likely on the gold today. But this is looking like a flag right here. We just printed a small bear flag. If this turns red, expect us coming down below this VWAP. So now we're ready. Now we're waiting. People can't see over there. Let me slide it over. Looking at the vertical stream. There you go, guys. I apologize about that. I want to see this give us a nice bear flag. I'm already up 360 for the day. I'm debating, should I take another trade? Because I'm trying to stay green while I'm in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday, we only made like 410. Today, 360 from paradise. You know what I'm saying? Like, not swinging for the fence like I do when we're in the office. Because like I said, I normally got the wall right here, and I only got this wall over here, so.
You get the pool behind you. You can run and touch your toe in the pool.
To do like a nice reset, you know, a nice reset just.
I'm gonna leave and come back in, guys. Hold on, because I'm going back here.
Okay, yeah, come back, man.
Okay. Andre, if you playing on the QQQ, it's time to put lightning in a bottle. That's what we do each and every day.
Come on, Betsy.
Want to see the confirmation on this flag right here, on this bear flag. Let me jump over to the wrinkle bars so we can see if we're going to have enough to take us lower.
Alright, let me tell you what happened to me when this design.
Bulls are trying to fight it. I'm thinking about taking a short here.
Right now?
All right, that's better. Let me wait. I want to see it start to waterfall here.
You'll be on soon.
Bulls are pushing. The market does always repeat itself.
Yeah. That's why I'm not tripping.
Marcus, welcome, man. Glad you're up for the day. Your boys, you're beating me a day. I'm only up 360. I'm only up 360 a day. Marcus, he's on the YouTube.
What about Drake? Drake's on the YouTube too?
Well, hold on, G. Marcus, my girl will have the margarita for you. I can only drink the sparkling water for you. I don't drink, but she'll handle the margaritas for all of us.
Dang. Why you don't drink, Blaine?
I don't drink only because, for me personally, I gotta drink a lot to get drunk. Like, for the, what is going, only when I'm streaming, my voice does this. For me personally, I had to drink enough to like incapacitate someone to feel drunk. So that's why I don't drink. And for me, I always like staying in the right headspace.
Right. Well, for me, I think it was an alcohol poison.
Okay.
That's why I don't drink like that. I've never been so messed up like that. Almost like a week. Like a week. I said never again.
Tonio, you got to, man.
I drink, but I won't drink too much though. I'll take a cup, a shot here and there, and that's it.
Yeah. Well, the flag's paying off right there. Look at that. I put the lines on the chart. We're going through it. We'll take it.
Oh my goodness. How much you made? I know you made something on that.
I just jumped in. Let's see. Let's see if I get the follow through. If not, I'm gonna close this one. I jumped in right when it started pushing right back up. So I'll hold it for another second. And did this thing just freeze on me? Oh boy. Oh, wow, that was scary. I may just close my screen. All this, the internet's not the best over here. It froze. Let's see if the bears push it down.
Put down.
Oh, no. Did you get 15?
Go down.
Come on, Betsy. Push us down, push us lower.
Come on.
Oh, man. You still in that trade lane?
I'm still in it.
Okay. It's still going down, huh?
My feet's pressed firmly against the wall. Firmly against the wall right now, gentlemen.
Is your trade line acting as a resistance again, Duane?
It is probably. Needs to punch through here. I want to see some green just so I could close it. Saw some green for a split second.
Okay, now we're gonna hit that.
There we go. I'm done. I'm not trading. You can't come out here like dressed like that. Have them help you. All right. So for the day, you respect. No, because he's naked. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to get in trouble with with the YouTube police. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Let me put this over here so you can see the performance for the day. There you go. 720 for the day. We'll take that 2 trade 720. So I'm just saying, Like, that's from Mexico, by the way. So while in Mexico, your boy is up $1,000.
That's good. That's good.
So what else can we do, right? What else can we do, gentlemen, that you could literally make $1,000 from anywhere in the world? You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't need employees if you have a business. You don't need clients. You just need yourself and the mental. That's all you need for this. We're getting another bear flag, by the way, on this 2-minute chart. Oh, I don't need to draw the line because I still got one there, so. So let's see if we build out some structure. We have not touched that pivot point. We gotta touch the pivot point. It's acting as a big old magnet.
Well, come on, it better act as a better magnet than this. What do you think?
For everyone that's trading on the YouTube, Legacy, if you're up for the day, put a W. If you're down for the day, put a 0. Normally, I say something else, but want to see who's up, who's down, or who's all around.
What if you're waiting for the 15 minutes? Then you put a big X.
Well, the 15 minutes has already been completed.
I know, but that doesn't mean you have to jump in.
Here comes, all right, there's the pivot touch. So this is key. So we just tapped that pivot. Let's see how we react.
Inside that 15-minute range. 15-minute range.
Because we got that 603 that we're targeting, 603. And when we get closer to the 603, we gotta be careful. Because the last 2 times that we got down to 603, we rejected and bounced up. So we touched that pivot. Let's see what we get here. I'm like itching to take another trade, but I'm also like, man, I'm up 720. Like, should I even risk it?
You gotta do the A plus scenario. You're at the bottom of the 15-minute range, though.
Let's see, we build out a flag down here now. Wasn't trying to move the overnight low, but just know this sun is just beating on me right here.
Well, look, you're the one that's decided to take a Mexico vacation.
I know, right? It's my fault. You're right. I'm not complaining about it. I'm not complaining.
Yeah, there's some weird, like, lead through. There's some lead through some other.
Yeah, that is, I'm gonna mute G because he has another streamer on right now.
Well, he loves it. He loves you most of all.
So I just muted that man. Just watching, tons of selling pressure right now. Tons of selling pressure. Let's see if we keep going down to that 603. That 603 is the current target. We get to that 603 level, we gotta be careful and cautious because we rejected twice on that level during the overnight session. You do not want to get caught up in a short when the market's going long. Just saying. For the people on the streams, welcome. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. Your boy's in the glorious country of Mexico at an all-inclusive resort streaming with you guys. Just saying. We live this. We don't talk about, we do it. And we walk it out all at the same time.
It punched through and it just immediately rejected, so stand by.
Yeah, we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. Because we got the 603 where we rejected off of. Then on top of that, we got that whole number as well, that 600 level. So if you're new to the stream, the market does weird things that hold numbers like 600, 700. It always does something weird. So you gotta be careful. A lot of resistance are always in those numbers. And I potentially feel like we're going to possibly the way we just rejected off the 603, yes, we pushed down to that 594, but the way we rejected so far, I don't like that movement. I do not like that movement. It's letting me know that we got buyers down here that want to take this price higher. So unless the bears waterfall this bad boy like right now, get ready for a rocket ship. Welcome, welcome everyone. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me as we all trade and make a couple dollars a day. Andre, if they're behind on TradingView, did you pay your subscription and have the live data? Because if you're trading on TradingView, you have to pay for the live data on TradingView. If you're trading just like with the prop firm, you automatically get the live data from Tradeovate and NinjaTrader. So when you're doing stuff outside of those, you do have to pay an extra subscription to TradingView for the live data feed. And as this market continues to come down, so we're dropping here. Let's pull up the Rincos. There we go. I'm slightly tempted to take another short here because we're starting to come on down, but your boy's already up 720 for the day.
Well, rotate to another account.
That is true. I could rotate.
Look, I'm not supposed to have to give you the obvious answer.
You're correct, Steve. You are correct, sir. Let me rotate my account to another one.
Lock in the 720.
Yep.
Doing it like you do it.
The 720 is locked in. All right, so that's the one we'll go to next. Since I can't switch everything, 1 second, everybody, because I gotta see what one this is. Bear with me. I'm rotating my accounts real quick. If you're part of the community, you'll.
I'm used to it now. Before, I'd be like, what happened?
Let me see if I can find this one quickly. Yeah, perfect. Right there, ready to go. Back to the. Let me turn these screens on. There's that one. And there's that one. So we're ready to go. Keep it moving. Yep, you got, Andre, definitely get the TradingView subscription. It'll make your trading so much easier. Because if you're trying to trade with the lagging behind, and it lags like 10 minutes behind, I believe, as well, without it.
I just never understood if it lagged. Somebody could figure out and have all the answers and just go in 9 minutes and 56 seconds. It's late.
All right, let's see if we build out another flag down here. That's the only way I'm gonna be wanting to take a short. So far, the sun isn't hitting the equipment yet, so I'm happy about that.
No,
And
just so everybody on YouTube around the world, the equipment is his pay. So when you're hitting the equipment.
people on stream, do not listen to Steve. And if you guys are wondering how is some people talking live with him, they are part of the Legacy Wealth Society, currently a free trading community that helps new traders and seasoned traders actually make real profits in the market. No fluff, no gimmick, just results. So that's my little tidbit. My little tidbit for you guys for that. I'm starting to bake. I may have to, in a little bit, just walk into the pool right there because this sun on the head right now. I'm a bald man, you know what I'm saying? So it's starting to bake a little bit.
Their equipment. Why aren't you wearing your sombrero, sucker?
I left my sombrero at the house. I did not want to disrespect the Mexican culture by bringing the sombrero that I had. So, all right, we're waterfalling here. I was hoping that we would push up and build out a bear flag, but so far, the bulls are not stepping in. Let's see where our first target is. All right, we got another pivot point. We did tap our first target right here, pretty much. Let me come in hard to see with this glare. 544 was the first target. We have a pivot point all the way down there at 370. So maybe we build out a bear flag right above this first target here to take us lower. Hopefully you guys all are enjoying the stream. There will be no stream tomorrow. No stream tomorrow.
Are you sure about that? Because you're going to be traveling, huh?
Yeah, tomorrow I'll be traveling back to the States. So didn't want to wake up and have to stream and then like rush to get everything packed to get out of here. So no stream tomorrow. We'll be back on Wednesday from the office.
You could check in to your friends on the way and just say hi. Because they look for you. You're somebody's special friend on here.
That is true. I may do a check-in, but it'll most likely I'll have to do it from my phone. I won't have all the equipment, everything like that. I'll just check in, quick little live stream, potentially.
Make sure everybody's doing good, that they're feeling good in the market. Type of queue if you know what a queen is. I don't know. Where are you? Where are these letters, man? My goodness.
Andre, yep, at least now you know why you've been getting those losses. You've been behind on the market because you haven't been trading the live data. So now that you're getting that fixed, watch how your trading results will start coming. You'll start seeing more success now. All right, I'm gonna be getting off. Our food just got here, our room service. Gotta love it, you know what I'm saying? The one thing I love about all-inclusive resorts is once you're there, once you're on the property, you don't touch your wallet. Like, I don't carry a wallet with me walking through these parks or anything like that. It's so refreshing. It's so refreshing not having to think about, oh, what card do I want to use, or, oh, I don't have cash on me. Like,
You know, like out here, man, it's gotten ridiculous. Like we talked about before, like everybody wants a tip.
all right, we're getting that bear flag. We're getting that bear flag right now above that target. So let's see how this plays out here. I'm most likely not going to take any more trades. Only because already up, well, actually, I could potentially take one more trade because I did rotate the accounts.
Thank you, Jesus.
But I want us to get below that first target. All right, there's that target.
Okay.
We bounced up a little bit. Let me jump over here, get these wrinkles fitting properly.
Where are your windows?
They should have just gotten pulled up. They're up here.
I can't see them. That's where.
Currently waiting. Want to see the full momentum here. Let's see what we get. I'm still waiting for a little bit more follow through because I want to take a short. All right, bull stepping in right there. Let's see if they have enough. We're starting to get that big wick on top of that candle. And the reason why, go ahead, Steve, what was that?
Do you think it's going to resolve into a flag? But 1 minute 30, we'll see.
Yeah, but I got the 2 minutes super small because I wanted the wrinkles a little bit bigger.
Yeah, the wrinkles are just because of the, you know, there's like, if I get really close to my screen, it doesn't It doesn't pop.
Yeah, it's not popping like when it's on the other computer. That's why I'm like leaning in as well, trying to see it a little bit better. But I am able to see what I need to see. If we start to break below that previous candle, I'm gonna take this short here.
It's still close to that whole number. That's the scary part. Get away from that whole number. Come on, go down. Give me some confirmation.
All right, right there, another $400 from Mexico. So for the day, $1,100 from Mexico.
$1,100 from Mexico.
And I just cut the trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, I saw the profit. I'm not trying to be in drawdown today. And sure enough, we'll take it. We'll take it. I'll put this one over here.
What about the only waterfall is in Mexico, man? This thing's about to go just like a waterfall. Next direct for the wings.
So total on that $400 trade, we took home $388 on it after the fees, everything like that. But there you go on this one. So when people say, "Oh, trading's hard," let them know it's not hard. You just need to learn how to do it the right way. Most traders aren't doing it the right way.
Where's our next target, O'Brien?
We got the second target at 488. 488 for the next target.
We're at 464.
464.
Oh no, my bad. 448. 448. Not trying to scare you guys. That's my fault. My bad. My bad.
E&G might not let you back in the country, sucker.
So when we hit that 488 level, get ready for the pivot point next. Jay Cutsman, well, Jeff, glad you're tuning in. Just looking at the chat, I gotta figure out how to get all the chats consolidated to one because right now I'm switching in between. Markets are looking good as always. Doesn't matter if the market's going up or down because at the end of the day, we can make money in either direction. It does not matter. Well, Andre, look at that. You've been lagging for years. I'm gonna save you thousands of dollars because now you'll be able to see the live markets.
448.
You don't have to thank me. 448. So we just tapped that pivot point. So we've been waterfalling this morning. So since we hit that second target has been touched. Next target now is that pivot point, 370.25. 370.25. But remember, when we come down to 400, that's a whole number. So we gotta be careful.
That's 380 right there.
Make sure you're putting your victories in the discussion. So if you're up for the day, put in the chats. If you're not actually talking, like some gentlemen are, put in the chat a W if you're up for the day, and put a minus sign if you're down.
How do you come up with these numbers?
I don't even know, Steve. They just come to me randomly.
I feel like I'm taking a quiz.
Well, it's to make sure everyone's listening, paying attention, they're active. You feel me? So we're staying right on this second target here, that 448 level. Like, we gotta break further down and away from that second target to make me feel better about the pivot point. Millionaire, he's up. There's a W in Andre, watch how well you trade now, since you're going to be seeing live. You're not going to be watching 10 minutes later. You know what I'm saying? For the people on the YouTube streams, how we feeling? Are we all good? Like, I'm feeling so good right now. Your boy's up over $1,000 from Mexico. I may have to walk into the pool right there.
No, that's cool. When you showed that on other stream, that was really cool.
Yeah.
So it was like, because it's such a hard concept to understand. So, you know what I mean? To see how they, I mean, not the concept, but to see how they laid it out. Can you see the ocean from your current room?
No, so we're on the, it's crazy. This property's massive, first off. They have, I forget how many acres. It's like thousands of acres that they own. But we're in their newest edition. So the portion that we're in Mexico too, from the ex-Correct. $750 million for this side of the property. It's straight craziness how much they spent. But don't worry, I got vlogs that we're gonna be posting. I gotta finish editing though.
Did you take my advice? Remember all those things I said? Thank you, Esteban. Muchos gracias.
Hey, another three something for that 6 something for the day.
Hey, we're winning. That's all that matters. As long as we're winning, we're happy. You know what I'm saying?
If it's all night, it's all right.
All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Let me go. I got minimize. I got too many charts up right now. That's why, not charts, screens up. All right, so we're starting to push up here. That's why I wanted us to clear away from that second target to the downside in order to take it short. Because when we tap those targets as well, a lot of times they act as support and resistance. So we got, let's see if we're going to get back. Okay, we're.
You were like a robot. You just stalled.
Ooh, that was scary. I'm not taking any more trades with. That's the second time that we dropped out today. So
I'll do 7 contracts.
definitely not.
Lucky you wasn't in the trade.
Definitely not, sir. That'd be some crazy word. 7 contracts knowing your internet's not working? Nah, that's just a 5G hotspot. So that way I don't have to worry about the facility's internet.
Put in a review.
Like if they could get the Wi-Fi dialed in here, game changer.
751 million. Get that 750 million and $2,000 to run a cable to your room.
Well, Andre, uh-oh, this is stream warning.
Like it's making its way up, guys.
Yes, I'm looking.
It's starting to go back down now.
What's that? It's doing a bull flag, and it's going to go up to that. It'll walk its way right back up to that VWAP.
We got that big wick on that candle. We do have that big wick there. Andre, I'm glad you see these entries because you can do them too. They're not hard.
Oh, Andre in the chat? Is he in the chat, Duane?
Yeah, he's on the YouTube chat. He's chilling. He's showing me some love over there because honestly, I need everyone, even G, Steve, I need you, if you're able to have something pulled up on the YouTube, because I'm trying to get those numbers up there, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to go viral of being one of the best traders on YouTube so we can truly help new people win at trading. I appreciate that. I heard my voice in the background for someone. You can mute me though. I don't like listening to myself. Look at that. Look at us coming down right there. Alrighty, we got that pivot point below us. We do have the pivot, so pivot points down there at the 370 level. We have that second target currently at
Tomorrow we're going to be having that news at 8:30.
449. Yeah, I won't be able to trade it tomorrow, sadly. I'll be traveling back to the States.
Well, you should.
I had to find out. I think we're going to be touching down. I'll have to double check. I don't even know what time our flight is. That's bad. That's bad.
As soon as you did that, let me know.
Yeah, I got you. Thank you, G. Well, gentlemen, probably got about 5 more minutes on the stream. Any questions? Because I've already made over $1,000 today from Mexico. So I did my job, you know what I'm saying? I put money back in the account after paying to come out here. So
What did you get for room service?
I have 2 omelets waiting for me right now with some flapjacks. The best flapjacks you'll ever taste in your life.
Wait. Flapjacks are carbs, man.
Oh, listen, when I'm out the country, what's a carnivore? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm eating everything out here. Like, it is what it is. Just wait for the vlogs that I'll be posting this week, because you're going to see some of the food out of this world, out of this world. So right now, looking like one big bear flag. You're like, Duane, what's a bear flag? I heard you, whoever that was on the stream, I heard you say, Duane, what's a bear flag? I'm gonna show you. Oh, we'll see if I can draw it. So, just wait.
What in the world? Come on.
I know, what in the world?
I think that's real.
So, on a bear flag, it's literally an upside down flag. You're gonna have a pole, and then you're gonna have the flag portion. That's the flag.
Generally, one with it. Okay, I'll give you that. Okay, he wins on that. I'm sorry that I criticized.
For real, you know what I'm saying? Like, should we kick Steve out the chat? Like, this is crazy. Like, questioning my doodling abilities is crazy at this point.
The flapjacks might be going. You might be having a carb.
A carb overload?
Yeah.
Well, this is what a flag on the 2-minute looks like. We want more structure. We want more red bars here. And it can keep coming up here for the big drop down. Let's jump over to the 5-minute here. See what we got. The 5-minute looks way better for the flag. Just saying. And as I say that, we're starting to come down.
Yeah, that previous 5-minute candle had a heck of a buying pressure out of pushing it all the way up to there. So we got to get it down now.
So the trick is, people, for everyone that's watching, because Steve already knows, we want to break through this bottom line. We want to break through the bottom line with momentum. You're like, Duane, how can you tell about momentum? I got to sign back in. That's not good. From where I lost connection. So let me come over here while that's logging in. Want this to load as quick as possible. All right, so we're live. We're back. So what we want to see. Let's make the wrinkles big here, as big as possible. So this is momentum right here. This is showing momentum of the market. We want to use the wrinkles to confirm the direction of the momentum. So when we place our trades, we're using momentum and the flags. And that's literally the strategy. That's all I use. That's literally it. I can't make it more complicated. So as you can see right here, I know on this screen it's not the best. The wrinkles are all going in a downward direction. So that means the momentum is going in a downward direction. So we want to look at the standard bars. to look for our flag. And then when we see this type of move, that's when you take your short. You're not gonna go long when you see momentum like that. Because when you go long, when you see that instant blowing up an account, being in drawdown, and kicking yourself or punching yourself in the gut, we're not trying to do that, especially not from Mexico. Appreciate everyone tuning in. And look at, guys, I just put it on the chart here. Someone said a bear flag, right? Yeah, I'm talking because I'm done trading.
That's exactly what happened.
They repeat themselves. Can you repeat yourself, please?
It repeats itself. Like, I don't even know what else I have to do or say.
Just say it one more time. Repeat yourself.
The patterns we're looking for, they always repeat themselves. So say, hey, you missed the first pattern. Don't beat yourself up. It's okay because look, since pre-market, we had 1 bear flag, 2 bear flags, 3 bear flags. This was almost a bear flag. I put this line there. Let me take that one off. But here's a bear flag right here. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bear flags. And you wanna know what?
Working on the 7th one.
Working on another one right there. So, don't tell me this is difficult. If you're blowing up your accounts, which we all do, I still blow up accounts when I'm swinging for the fence. But if you just have a simple strategy where you're only looking for literally two patterns and momentum, you're going to be successful. That's all I know. That is all I know, gentlemen. And
You mean to tell me, like, you say, like, I can do that, so I don't need to go, like, stand next to somebody else's Ferrari and pretend I got in trading?
no, you do not need to go stand next to someone's Ferrari. Like, that's some crazy work. That's some crazy work. Like, put it this way, I can't make up that I'm in Mexico off of trading profits at an all-inclusive resort. Mind you, this is the second time I've been out here in literally a month. Because, well, yeah, in a month. I was out here in October, and I'm back out here now.
And I can tell you that's not the La Quinta Inn off I Drive. So
Definitely not the La Quinta Inn. Let me back on up here. Definitely not the La Quinta Inn. Like, I could literally just walk in there. I could just walk in the pool. You know what I'm saying? I could literally just walk in. I could go sit right there, you know? And for all the people, because I know there's a lot of trolls out there, you know what I'm saying? They're, must be a green screen. Hold on. I'm having fun with you guys now. Hold on. It's literally water. Like, I can't make this up. Like, this is Splish Splash taking a bath. You know what I'm saying? Just saying, people. Just saying. Like, we can do this. You can do this. You could be out here living just like this. From what? Learning 2 simple patterns and knowing what momentum looks like. That's all we're doing, gentlemen. Well, that's all I do. I don't know what some of y'all do. I'm just saying.
you're not going to take responsibility for me again?
No, I can't take responsibility for you, Steve. I'm sorry about that. Can't take responsibility for other people trading. For all the people on the stream, for all the people on the YouTube streams, everything like that, if you're having a great trading day, put a W. If you're having a blah trading day, put a 0. We are currently still in Mexico, and I'm done trading for the day because I already made over $1,000. But I want you guys to check out the view, enjoy it. Only got a couple more minutes on here because me and the family, we have to go to a couple parks, and I got food waiting for me, but I wasn't even supposed to stream this long today. I'm probably gonna get in trouble by my girl. We'll see, hopefully not because we are in Mexico, but who knows, who knows. But is everyone feeling good today? I hope we are, and this is so funny because Only if you can see my setup right now, you guys will laugh, because I have one cord coming to this camera, and I'm holding it, walking like it's like just a regular cell phone. You know, it's awesome. Any questions? Do we got any questions here? Because I got the chat pulled up so I can actually see the questions from the YouTube chat. Let me actually come back over here and make sure Andre doesn't have any questions. All right, we got W's in the chat. All right, we got some W's. Love to see it, everyone. Love to see it. I'm thankful that we're having a good day. We got W's with 3 accounts. Good job, Steve. He's crushing it today. Love to see that. So that seventh bear flag did not play out, as we can all see on the chart, but we would have known that because we would have paired it with the momentum. And when we saw the momentum going the opposite direction, we're not going to take a short. Listen, trading is all common sense at the end of the day. Can you guys tell if something's going up? I think we all can. Can we tell if something's going down? I think we can. So, with that being said, as long as we're using common sense and looking for the patterns that we look for as traders, you'll be successful. The only way you're not going to be successful is if you're doing something opposite to your strategy. So if you're over trading, if you're not downsizing when you should be downsizing, or the best one, the revenge trade. I know I'm the only person that does that. You guys don't do that. But the things that you can do when you just follow your own rules will astound you and honestly surprise you. Because when you start following your rules, this is the result. This is the result. When you follow your rules, this is the result. And I want you guys having this as your result. So can we all just get along and be nice and come together and trade?
In the world, is it, we are nice. Sucker.
Hey, I don't know how you call me a sucker jive turkey, Steve. I'm looking directly at you now. You better calm it down, sucker. All right? This isn't WWE back in the day.
You're looking across the Gulf of America at me, huh?
Yeah, I'm looking across the Gulf of America. America. Oh, it's funny. Quick story time, and I'm gonna have to get off here. But last night at dinner, we went to Zen Gal. It's like way better than Kobe's, way better than all that in the States. And there was a family that sat with us as well for the show from New Jersey. And they were just asking questions, everything like that, because they overheard me and my girl talking. And they're like, wait, this is your second time here in the past month? And we're like, yeah. And like, mind you, they were older than us, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just turned 35, my girl's only 32. And this couple is probably late 40s with their family.
Oh God, so old.
I know, right? And they were like dumbfounded that we're already back. And what really made them like what? Was when we told them we're going back in February and we already booked the trip. Because just me and my girl are coming back in February to the adults only side. And they were just completely shocked and surprised, you know. So, long story short, I want to see you guys being able to move however you want to move. It may not be going to Mexico. It may not be doing anything crazy, but just give me the flexibility to be outside the norm of what most people do. That's what trading provides. I'm not showing, like Steve says, I'm not pulling up to some random Ferrari and taking pictures with it. I don't need to. I don't need a Ferrari either. I won't fit. That's my issue. But for me, I'd rather enjoy traveling, taking the kids, because what I realize as well with the kids, we're giving them experiences that will last them a lifetime. That's why we came back twice in a month, because at the end of the day, we want to make sure they're good, because I know what it's like as a kid growing up. What? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, dapping me up. Appreciate it, Playboy. Go ahead, Rizzler.
No!
I call my oldest son the Rizzler.
No!
He hates it. Instead of the Riddler from Batman, I call him the Rizzler. Because he's always trying to rizz up girls.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Hide your daughters, gentlemen. We got Rizzler alert. Market's starting to push up still. We had a bull flag there. Let me draw this bull flag that we had. Let me get this stuff off the chart. Because I actually gotta get off because we gotta get ready to go. So this would be considered a bull flag.
Do I understand that the elderly folks are high 40s? Oh my goodness.
I didn't say elderly, I said older than me.
Okay.
I gotta see it. All right, draw this flag real quick.
Well, I was already trained with the stock market ticker, all right?
The stock market ticker. Well, gentlemen, we got that bull flag starting to print right there. Let's see if the bulls actually catch it. Let's pull up the Rincos.
The 1 minute EMA is acting as support, and the 1 minute 21 is acting as support and rejected off of it. That one's at 48.
Yeah, if the bulls start pushing, we start getting that bottom wick on the bottom of this 2 minute candle right here. We'll probably build out a little bit more structure and then pop it up. Because right now we're at that first target. So remember, those targets act as support and resistance. So if we stay above the first target, it's acting as support. But it's officially 10:30, gentlemen. I appreciate everyone that's tuned in. Legacy, you already know how much love I got for all you guys that's part of the community. I appreciate you guys letting me have some shenanigans today with you guys.
Thank you very much.
And I will see all you guys for the trading streams tomorrow. No, tomorrow? No, Wednesday. No, Thursday. Thursday, we'll be back trading live with you guys. But tomorrow night, I will do. So make sure you guys on YouTube like and subscribe so you're notified when we go live for the hangout sessions. And we'll just go from there. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Great. Stay safe in the markets tomorrow. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And with that being said, guys, love all you guys. Stay safe in the markets. There is news tomorrow, gentlemen, so be careful with that as well. Esteban, I appreciate all your assistance today. Esteban and G, did you want me to leave you guys in the Zoom or you want me to close it completely out?
I got it stuck because I have some things to do.
I was trying to get something in there printing yesterday.
Okay, what I'll do then, G, I'll just put you as the host for that Zoom. And you'll be good to go. Have a good one, brother. Sign. There we go. All right, you two. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the stream today. I streamed longer than I was supposed to, believe it or not. I was only supposed to stream for just a little bit, but you know, made the $1,000. You know, I'm like, hey, let's keep the party moving. That's how I was feeling today. He's already, Andre, he's in there waiting for you. So you're good to go jump in with him. Well, guys, have a good rest of your day. I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed and stay safe.